Hi there, my name is Dan Tibma. I want to talk to you about induction cooktops. I just turned this pan of water on and we're going to see how fast it boils as I explain more about how this works. The pan becomes the cooking surface. There's electromagnetic coils underneath here that turn this steel pan into the cooking element. And that does a couple good things for us. One, it's very, very efficient. All the energy goes into the pan. Two, the cooking surface around it is not getting hot. I can put my hand around here and that makes cleanup easy. When things boil over, you get things scalding around here, it's hard to clean up. You don't have that problem here. A couple other things is the safety issue. There's no gas to catch fire, there's no hot coils to burn yourself on. Within that amount of time that we've talked about, look at things boiling vigorously. Hope you guys look into induction cooking whenever you're looking for a range. Thank you.